Hey there everyone, let's do a little ghost. This is definitely quick for, free public events that we're going to be doing on October. So here I'm using Kryolan white, and I love this white because it's kind of more sheen. It's not stark white. I really love this one. So we're going to create this shape and add little bitty arms to him. I love how sheen and soft this white is. Really love this one in Paradise. Like, oh my gosh, I love them for bases. Now we have our round number 3 brush with Mehron edges black. We're just going to go all the way around this little character. And lastly, we're going to add a face. And remember, it doesn't have to be a cute face. You can do an angry face, a scary face, any face that this kiddo wants. Definitely you can modify it. You can also add stars, glitter, rainbow, whatever you like to up the ante. So hope you guys enjoyed this. I love that little cute smile, and I'll see you in the next one.